Hey guys, Johnny Vance here down at Carlisle, PA for Chrysler Nationals again, and I've been finding some cool cars for sale, and Mopar Dave has a few projects out here for sale. I'll throw a picture of his card up, but he also deals in Mopar Parts. You can find him at that contact information that I offered you, but I just wanted to walk around and show you these cool little clean title projects that he's got out here and just let you get a view of some of the things that he's got to offer. I didn't go find him and reach out to him, but I've seen his name on other things, so I know from speaking that it's a reputable source. So here's a 69 Dart GT he's got out here. I know how hard it is to source some of these original parts sometimes, so I just think it's cool to show you all this and pick up his contact info so you can see what he's got to offer if you're looking for something specific. He's in Wellsville, Pennsylvania, so I'm sure that you can reach out to him and see if he can ship you what you need if he's got it. Check him out, and thank you for checking me out. Songs, Cars, and Guitars. Make sure you're subscribed and hit the bell so you're notified whenever I find something cool like this. All right, man. Catch y'all next time.